This is 10 fun facts about the FabFitFun warehouse. Number 10. The warehouse is as big as 10.5 football fields. The fact that we measure length in football fields is pretty fun, too. Number 9. One end of the warehouse is dedicated to FabFitFun style. Obviously, those employees have the best ways to accessorize their safety vests. Number 8. Our warehouse workforce gets 8 times larger during billing season. It's like Santa's workshop but 4 times a year. Number 7. 73 million physical pieces are touched in a 4-week kitting period. I feel like half of those are probably Spongelles. Number 6. Each box is given a license plate number, which is how your order info is assigned to you. Number 5. All boxes are packed by hand and with love. Number 4. Boxes are kitted by product variation, not by location. That means your box could be packed next to one that's going to London, or Montreal, or Delaware. Number 3. Our new pick-to-light system allows us flexibility with customization while increasing speed and accuracy. Should I be embarrassed that I have 8 exfoliates in my cart? Number 2. It takes between 24 and 36 hours from the time a box is built and assigned an LP number to it leaving the warehouse. Hello, shipping label, come to mama. And finally, Santos. Our manager of special projects at the warehouse is single. You're welcome, ladies. Enjoy your fall box. See you in winter.